Yes, as I mentioned, just brief introduction. For any questions, please send the question through the chat, or we'll have a little Q&A afterwards with you guys. Okay. So without further ado, by the way, if anybody want to say anything before we start, go ahead. If not, we'll be starting probably in a minute. We have a few people connecting at the moment. Okay, here we go. So Gary.
Hi, Rosalind.
Yeah, so let's do this. People are still, I think, coming on the way, but I think most of us are here already. Anyways, so we have as well VG connecting.
Okay.
Okay, a few minutes. Let's probably wait until 5, okay? 4:05.
Okay.
By the way, this video will be sent, without my words, to you guys afterwards, or please check your emails, check your messenger, because Nora will be forwarding this recording afterwards to you guys. Okay, Gary, I think we should start.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'm Gary. I'm from GHD Tech Product and Development Team. Today, I would like to introduce our new embedded computer products, KMDA-2630 and KMDA-2630. As we know, based on current market analysis and development progress in AI technology, we have developed high-performance industrial computer equipped with 11th generation process, which I will introduce you in details. First, let's start with our KMDA roadmap. From the picture, we can see that we have so many KMDA family products. Different products with variable CPU platform and functions, which provides plenty of choices for our customers. Now we have J1900 Apollo Lake, KB Lake U, and KB Lake S, Whiskey Lake U, Coffee Lake S, and the KMDA-2630 is Tiger Lake U platform. And today, there's another KMDA-2630. It's an Elk Lake processor. First, there's an interesting product I would like to introduce. Is KMDA-3301, which is used for AGV or AMR control. This is introduction contents. First is key features of KMDA-3301, and second is other information. Third is its target market, and the last one is product schedule. First, KMDA-3301 is powered by Tiger Lake U with Core i3, i5, i7, or Benton or Celeron processor. DDR4 SOD, dual channel memory up to 64 GB. 3G LAN with Intel i225 chipset. 1 DP, 1 HDMI, 2 USB 3.1 and 2 USB 2.0. Two comms support RS-232, 422 and 485. 1 BD-PCIe support Wi-Fi module. 1 30 and 52 B key with 6 volt support 4G or 5G. 1228 M key support NVMe storage. There's also one 4-amp SATA and one 2.5-inch SATA bay. The power supply is DC from 9 to 36 voltage wide power input with short circuit, over voltage, and over current protection. Because of the Intel Tiger Lake SoC CPU series, the CPU performance has been improved than before. Intel UHD graphics support Intel DL, which is a deep learning technology, and Intel Type F standard interface for high-speed I/O function, and flexible installation and shock absorption design. It's very suitable for the MEC community, AGV, machine vision, or other applications. First, its CPU performance. It adopts the Intel Tiger Lake 11th generation and low power single chip processor. Core i3, i5, i7 are all 4 cores and 8 threads, which is the platform with the highest ULT processor performance on the market. According to the Intel data, the 11th generation Intel processor Tiger Lake platform can achieve an 19% improvement in multi-threading performance and compared to the Whiskey Lake reference platform. And the next is Tiger Lake Core i3 Bunton and Styron with the Intel UHD graphics, and the Core i5 i7 with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It can support Intel deep learning technology, and it can up to 8 TOPS. KMDA-2630 also supports Intel TSN and TCC technology. So it means real-time performance can be improved than before, and the timing jitter can within 10 microseconds. There are 3 Intel i225B line support AMT and vPro technology. M.2 with SIM slot and support 4G and 5G module. M.2 2280 MK support NVMe storage. 2 DDR4 SOD support 3200 HD, and it can up to 64 GB. This is KMDA-2630 motherboard EON I912 and ECB267 board atop the Intel Type F design, which can improve shock resistance ability obviously, and it can support virus kind of I/O high-speed signal. The power supply and communication I/O interface adopts the anti-off design, so the mounting parts are equipped with the rubber rails. Next slide is the flexible installation. KMDA-2630 supports the desktop mounting with the rubber rails and the DIN rail mounting optional. The installation model is flexible, suitable for large size cabinets, single door open port chassis, and also suitable for the wall mounting into the control cabinet of the industrial equipment. It can be widely used such as the AGV or robot, V2X, the roadside MEC, or even in-vehicle MDC. It also can be used for machine vision, smart security, and so on. Look at the picture. This is KMDA-2630 product schedule. The KMDA-2630 is in DVT phase, and it will be in mass production facing the first quarter of the next year. This is another KMDA series. This is another KMDA series product with acrylic platform. It means KMDA 2630. This KMDA 2630 features is powered by Intel acrylic Celeron SoC. There are two models, Celeron J6412 and Celeron N6210. One DDR4 SoC up to 32 GB. Two LANs with Intel I225. One DP, one HDMI, one VGA, and also there's built-in EDP. Two USB 3.1 and two USB 2.0. Two COM support RS232 and another two COM support RS232 485 422. One M.2 B key 30 and 52 with SIM slot, support 4G or 5G module. For storage, there's one 4M SATA and one 2.5-inch SATA bay, one BDIO DC12, and an optional white power input DC from 9 to 36. The next is the KMDA 2630 interface picture. This is the front side and this is the rear side. The next is KMDA 2630 highlights. It's a compact and fanless design equipped with high performance acrylic processor with Intel 11th generation UHD graphics, and the optional white power input, 2.5G bandwidth network chip, and it has rich interface functions. The acrylic CPU performance has been improved obviously. Celeron J6412 basic frequency is 2 to 2.6 G, and the Celeron N6210 basic frequency from 1.2 to 2.6 G, and it supports DDR4 memory. The max RAM can up to 32 GB. It also can support two displays has been increased to 3, and also it has the lower power consumption. Compared to the last generation processor, single-thread performance improved 1.7 times, and multi-thread performance improved 1.5 times. Graphical performance improved 2 times. It has all improved obviously. And the Intel 11th generation UHD graphics supports 3 independent display, dual 4K display output, and support powerful video coding and decoding. Next slide is KMDA 2630 has multiple interfaces. Look at the picture. It includes HDMI and VGA displays, and dual network, dual USB 3, and dual USB 2, and dual storage. From the iPort interface, it is able to be expanded with ECB246 dual network interface or ECB260 dual CAN expansion. Next is our GHD Tech Express 8-pin high-speed interface. It can extend multiple function interface and can customize to the subcard from this high-speed interface. There are two 2.5G Intel I225B network chips support 5G-AMR technology. The aluminum chassis for HDD heat dissipation to ensure a stable operation system. It can support up to 15 millimeters with 6 TB SATA HDD. The HDD is installed at the bottom and the aluminum chassis for heat dissipation. Next, let me introduce our KMDA-26 and 30 is a compact size and fanless design, so it can be easily to be installed. This is a card named OFX075. It's a power board. It can support the wide power DC supply from 9 to 36 voltage. KMDA-26 and 30 also can be used for AGV or AMR application. It can be used for data gateway or the medical vision, machine vision or other applications. We have 3 models with KMDA-26 and 30. It's named T01 and T02. The difference is the processor. T01 processor is Celeron J6412 and T02 processor is the Celeron N6210. Okay, that's all for my introduction with our new product. Thank you, everyone.
Gary, hi.
Hi, Rosalind.
Yeah, before we start with Q&A, can you please go back to the previous product?
Go back to
which slides? Yeah, maybe keep over here. Like this one, dual bay HDD.
You mean this one?
Yes, yes.
It can, because design we can install HDD with the up to 15 millimeters.
Okay.
HDD.
But in this case, is it basically two HDD, 6 terabyte each, correct?
There are 2 HDD. It actually is a single HDD.
No, because you say the support dual bay 6 terabyte HDD. Okay. So it's maximum 6, yeah, or maximum 12 terabyte.
Max to 6.
Oh,
it only have one HDD SATA bay.
Okay, okay, got it. And what's maximum temperature right now we can work with?
Temperature, it can up to 60.
Okay. Yeah, because we have let's say project in Southeast Asia. Normally temperatures are much higher. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have guys. Yeah, if anybody have a question, you can send a chat or just speak up directly. No issue. So we have Gary. We have a question from Abaco. Can SSD be with RAID configuration?
I think it's not support the RAID configuration because it not support.
Okay, can we do that, or it's completely not for this model?
Not for this model. If you want to the RAID, we have others products can meet this requirement.
Oh, I see. Okay, then Lynn or Rita, yeah, please remember this question, okay? And we get back to Abaco with some feedback on what models can be with RAID, or actually why the RAID is useful. Maybe we can actually adjust the next next model for that. And Rita, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember we had a question from Europe a few weeks ago about the iPort. Gary, can you please go back to iPort?
Yes, I have discussed with Rita and.
Can you please first, can you first show the slide of iPort to everyone?
Actually, I have shared the Word or Excel with Rita, and she has no which model can support iPort with.
No problem, no problem. What I mean is, Gary, can you please go back to the slide presentation, yeah, of iPort?
Okay.
Everyone can remember.
Here.
Yeah, so basically, guys, I'm sure you've seen the similar port, or similar structure in some other brands or some other companies. Yeah, so it's like quite useful feature that you can install additional, whether it's LAN or other expansions like CAN port inside the iPort. So Rita.
Yes.
Remember what was the question last time we discussed?
The customer want to know which our model have iPort function. So we made, so Gary made a list so that we can have an overview about which model have support iPort.
Nice. So basically, as you understand, not all the models will be with iPort, but some are. So please, ask Rita, Lynn, or your sales. Actually, get in touch with Gary directly, and he can send you. They can send you a list of products that will be with support of iPort and which ones. Okay. And if you have any suggestions on what expansion to add, please let us know. It'll be quite useful. Anyone has any more questions on the product or new ideas or any new products or how it can be used? Maybe some projects you're facing and you need some suggestions from our side. I guess not for now, yeah. Gary, from your experience, this product, what are the main applications recently? What are the main applications? What are the main projects that clients are using this product for?
Actually, it's they are the new product, and our customers they are beginning to use our new product, and they are use it for the AGV function, AGV application or gateway.
Gateway? Can you explain what do you mean by gateway?
As how to say, it's just like a network switch.
Oh, I see.
Yes, because there are the new products and actually they are our customers now testing.
Yeah, quite useful. I mean, even data gateway, I mean, I guess there are more and more companies, whether Taiwan, China, or this area, are building solutions for not factory, but warehousing automation. Like recently, Foxconn started a new project building this AGV robots for warehousing. So it grows quite fast, especially with 5G coming. At the same time, I feel that majority of projects are still medical industry, especially for this size, yeah, because the product is quite small, so it's pretty easy to fit in any medical device units.
When we have small application, we will share with you.
I guess, by the way, the 5G. This new two models support 5G, correct?
Yes, it can support the 5G module.
What about the previous KMDAs? Do they also support 5G or only these two?
Which KMDA?
The old models of KMDA, do they support 5G or not?
No, not all KMDA. Because the 5G module, it needs the M.2 expansion slot. Not all, yes, not all KMDA slot can meet it.
Got it. So yeah, please guys focus on these two products, but if you need some customization of the old ones with 5G, let us know. But basically right now, Gary is trying to bring more and more products. Basically every new model will be likely with support of 5Gs. The old ones, probably not. Anybody has any more questions on the product solutions or any other ideas for GHC? So wait probably a couple of minutes more. If not, we'll be closing up this session, okay? So once again, we'll be doing such little presentations every probably month. It's little product introduction. If you cannot join, sometimes we'll be sending you our recording, but we really would appreciate if you, when you receive some feedback or when you receive invitation from marketing, please maybe prepare some questions, because I'm sure what your technical salespeople will have some questions on how to use maybe pricing level, some specification requirements, or even solution requirements. So we can discuss it right away with Gary or our marketing or product team during the presentation. So if no more questions, then Gary will probably close the session, okay?
Okay.
Once again, thanks everyone. Happy upcoming New Year holiday. I wish you all a good health. Please be safe. Make sure your family is also safe, and have a great time. Okay. Happy New Year, everyone. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Oh yes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.